Hello guys, so in this video I'm doing Christmas pour. So I'm going to do like 5 pours, different technique. So this one I'm doing a puddle pour. I'm making flower shape, but I want like a ring pour. I made a little thinner my paint. So this one is black Arteza. This one is rose madder Arteza as well. This one is red wine glitter mixed with the watermelon TLP and mix in a pouring medium just to give a nice glittery look. It doesn't show right now the glitter, but once it's dry it will be lovely. So this is the Arteza Green. I don't remember which one it is, but I'll put down in a description box what this exactly is. So it's a bit dull color, but I just wanted to try. This one is green glitter mixed with Pebeo Iridescent Yellow Green and in a pouring medium. And so first one, what I'm doing, I'm putting my black as base, just want to spread over so it gives nice flow to all the paints when I spin and tilt it. So I'm not hoping on this one is going to be like proper flower what I did it before, but I'm going to give the flower shape to get the ring pour look, because the paint are thinner, so they're not meant to be stay in a place. It moves so fast, so it doesn't give a proper shape what we aim for. So the first one I am adding red, just dropping like this. Then I am using this wine red glitter which is going on top of the red. And now I am going to use the black. I want to separate the green and red, so every time when I'm doing this I'm using the red black to separate those two color things. So now it's green, and after this it's going to be a glittery green, so glitter will go on the top of the green, then black again and red, then wine red, glitter and black again. So it's like the black is going every time in the middle between those two color scheme to separate them. So now I am using toothpick to give a flower shape, just to give a nice ring pour look once it's been and tilted. So you can make as many as line you want. If you're making a flower pattern and you want to keep that shape, you need a bit thicker paint than what I use. I have got another video. I'll put down the link in the description box, how I made the puddle pour flower. This is not normally this technique I use in resin flower coasters. So that's done. Time to spin now, and we'll do tilting. The glitter is sparkling a lot. Once it's dry, it will look beautiful. The flower itself looks beautiful. I might have give it a go flower as well in one of the Christmas pour when I do. So I'm going to use all the same colors in my other pours. I'm doing 5 pours, just Christmas challenge, and using the red and green base.